Are you a content creator looking for an affordable and high quality wireless microphone? Well, look no further. We've tested the best low budget wireless microphones out there on the market, and we found our top pick. So keep watching to find out which microphone made the cut. I'm excited to share with you today our top pick for the best budget wireless microphone for content creators. As a content creator myself, I know how important it is to have high quality audio, but it can be kind of expensive to invest in a wireless microphone. And that's why we've tested and we've researched the best budget options for you. And this is why we're excited to show you the microphones that we recommend for you to buy. So if you go to our channel, you can see the other video that we did on reviewing the other wireless microphones that were, I think, about $40. Now, don't get me wrong, those microphones were great. The distance was great, the battery, everything was great. For the price, it was good. But if you're looking to upgrade, if you're looking to start off investing a little bit more on better quality, we're gonna recommend these. So after researching and review, we decided that the Boya wireless microphones are gonna be the best low budget microphones for content creators. So these are gonna be on Amazon for about $119. So I know maybe you can find some cheaper ones on Amazon, but honestly, for the quality and all the things that come in it, I think the price for these are really good. And this is a case that it comes in, and as you can see, this is already a pretty cool case, and you can see these lights right here. There's 4 lights. So this is actually a charging case that actually charges the microphones while you have them in here. And of course, you will need to charge it as well, and this is the charging port for that. As we open it, you can see there's 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, and this is actually pretty cool. I'm gonna take this out for now, but this is one of the wind covers that you have for the microphones. And what I love about this, not only the quality, but also that you can use with either iPhone, Android, or you can use for the camera. And as you can see, this is already on here. This is actually gonna be the receiver, and all you have to do is just change this piece right here. It's gonna have this little blue button that you just pull down and you just remove it. And as you can see, you just slide it in there and you're good to go. Easy and fast. Now, another really cool thing about this is that these are actually magnetic, and you can see the little magnets at the bottom, and it holds on to here, right here. So all you have to do is just kind of place it in place and it'll just kind of click. And that's what's really cool about it as well. These as well right here, these are also magnetic, so they won't fall. They won't fall out of the case at all. And you can see that right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on so that way you can hear how it sounds. All right, so I went ahead and put it on, and this is what it sounds like. So these are gonna be able to reach around 330 feet or 100 meters. So that's really good if you're gonna be doing some filming, you know, where you have to be really far. These are actually gonna be good for that. So the battery life on these, they're gonna take about 1.5 hours to be charging, and they're gonna last up to 6 to 10 hours. Which is pretty insane because a lot of them that I've seen only last about 3 to 4 hours, but this is going to last between 6 and 10 hours. And of course, remember that this case actually charges the microphones and the transmitter. So if you're going to be on the run, if you're going to be on the go, you know, vlogging or doing whatever you need to do, all you have to do is just place it on here and the case will actually charge it for you. So I don't know about you guys, but I think the audio quality for these are pretty good. Now, of course, you're gonna see a lot of other videos that tell you that other microphones are better, but I'm gonna be brutally honest with you. A lot of content creators usually just tell you which microphones you should buy so they can make money off of it. And of course, all the other microphones that we've tested, that we've researched, actually sound muffled, they peak, they're just really bad quality. And of course, like I said, you can go find some for 30 bucks, for 40 bucks, and you can use those. But of course, when you actually look into the audio quality and the distance and all that stuff that you actually really need, it's not gonna be what you pay for. When it comes to audio, it is very important that you understand that you get what you pay for. The audio quality is gonna be what you pay for. So if you get $30 or $40 microphone, then you have to expect something with low quality. That works, but it's also gonna be muffled, etc. But if you're looking for some microphones that aren't too high but aren't too low, these are gonna be it. Again, these are gonna be $119. There is actually a coupon right now on Amazon for $10 off. If you hurry, you might be able to still get it. But again, we recommend these. These are gonna be the best ones that we found so far. We're gonna keep researching and we're gonna be testing out other ones as well, just to see if we find something better. But as far as microphones on a budget that are wireless, these are gonna be our pick. So thank you guys for watching our video. We hope that this video was helpful and informative for you. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and content like this. Also, we will be leaving the link in the description. That way you can go ahead and check them out yourself.